How to pay your Rogers credit card bill. Step-by-step guide. Here's how to do it. First, you can make a one-time or recurring payment through your online banking, telephone banking, or mobile app. Just log in and select Rogers Bank Mastercard as the payee. Then enter the payment amount and confirm. Second, you can pay in person by visiting most Canadian financial institutions. Bring your credit card details with you and complete the payment directly at the counter or ATM. Another option is setting up pre-authorized debit. This allows Rogers Bank to automatically withdraw the amount due from your checking account each month. You can enroll in this service by visiting the Rogers Bank website and following the setup instructions. If you prefer traditional methods, you can pay by mail. Write a check payable to Rogers Bank, include your account number on the front of the check, and mail it to Rogers Bank, P.O. Box 4022, Station A, Toronto, Ontario, M5W0G7. Make sure to send your payment in Canadian currency and allow enough time for it to be processed before the due date.